This woman you are seeing is a truck driver from China who has just got down from her truck and is about to unload the garbage from the truck. She takes an iron rod and hits the shield in such a way and opens it. She opens the shield completely with her hands. It is filled with some iron-type garbage. Then she goes to the truck and turns the garbage. You must be seeing the type of garbage that this woman is dumping in it. After that, she closes the shield of the truck in the same way she keeps doing such work daily. Through this, she takes care of her happiness and family. Would you like to like such a woman?